Hi, I'm Dr. Yousuf. I recently joined Health Texas Provider Network and Orthopedic Associates of Dallas as one of their new hip and knee surgeons. I was in a practice in Chicago for the last 5 years, and I'm excited to be back home in Texas. My practice focuses on hip and knee pain and hip and knee surgery. I went on after medical school at Louisiana State University to do my residency at the University of Oklahoma. After finishing my residency at University of Oklahoma, I went on to the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota to do a fellowship training in hip and knee replacement surgery. My practice specializes in partial knee replacements, anterior hip replacements, and all hip and knee issues. I'm passionate about performing surgery in a minimally invasive surgical approach. My goal is to provide my patients with less invasive options so that they can have a rapid and less painful recovery, allowing them to get back to the things they like to do. I office out of Plano, Frisco, and McKinney, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.